Here's how to convert PDF to Word in Smallpdf. Let's get to it. So first you need to go over to smallpdf.com and log into your account. After that, under popular PDF tools, you're going to find this PDF to Word. Just press on it. Then you need to select a PDF file. Just click on select files here or drag and drop it. So I'm going to click on the select files, and then inside my downloads folder, I've got this sample PDF file that I want to convert to Word document. So I'm going to press on the sample PDF file and press on open. Now it's going to upload it and convert it to Word document, docx file. Now on the right hand side, you can download it to your computer. You can change this, rename the file just by pressing on that button and then changing it like this, rename it before you download it to your computer. Then you can press here for a drop down, save it to Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. You can also download it or compressed .pdf file. You can download that as well. If you want to delete it, you just need to press on this button, or you can scroll down, start over, or convert it into other file formats as well that you can see here. And yeah, that's it. That's how to convert PDF to Word in Smallpdf. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Smallpdf related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.